back to this YouTube channel, Mouse Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can add your device to Google Find Hub so that you can locate your device once it is lost. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. And if you get any problem, the comment section is going to be left open so that we can interact more. So don't forget to like the video for it to move to more audience so that you can help more to protect their devices. So first and foremost, open your phone settings. You can open your phone settings, and in your phone settings we're going to be looking for what we call security, privacy and security. So look for privacy and security. Or on some devices these two are split, but on my device they are split, but on some devices they are combined, privacy and security. Now we are going to go where we have security, and then in your security we're going to be seeing security status, where you will be seeing Google Play Protect, Find Hub, Security Update, and Google Play System Update. Choose option 2, which is Find Hub. Oh, on some devices this option may be found down here. Alright, if you choose Find Hub, make sure you enable this, and by enabling it you will be required to enter your device's PIN. That is it, but you must also put enable your location or turn on your device location so that you can remotely find your device once it is lost. That is it, and let us meet in the next tutorial. You can also download an application from Google Play Store, which is Google Find Hub. Go to Google Play Store and then download the application Find Hub. It is also there. You can download and install it on your device. Give it some few seconds to install, then after installing you'll be able to find your device. That is it, and let us meet in our next tutorials. I'm Mouse Tech and I sign out.